Okay. Wait, go down there. Okay.
There.
This is our lawn. Our side lawn. This is our back lawn.
This is where this current's getting stronger.
Whoa. Friends, please.
Yeah.
What is that?
What?
Is that a plant?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a hole in it.
That is the Nile River. This is ridiculous.
This is.
Okay, that is coming off our neighbor's lawn.
That's where the water's come from, all our neighbors. God damn it.
Theirs is a lot higher. Ooh. And dog igloo over there. It's almost halfway covered. A little over halfway. And they have a lot more water than we do for now.
Too bad there's not a cup this time.
I don't know.
So fast it's moving.
Careful. What are you doing? Okay, Ben wants to demonstrate how fast the water is moving. So you can throw a stick.
This is still our backyard. I don't know if I can see it anymore, but
Why a stick?
it's already like 40 feet away,
Yeah.
50 feet away, 60 feet away. Hey, there's a rake or something over there.
Yeah, I know.
Can we go get it?
No. Looks like it's well in the ground.
Slide knock me. Alright, let's go back. So,
This is new, Ben.
hi.
See over there, that dry spot? That's where we had to take the dogs to go potty. Well, it's not dry, but hey, there's our hose somewhere in there. Ugh. There it is. We're getting into the shallow end. Oh, gotta go a little deeper here. Don't fall. I'm stuck here. Okay. There's trash bag under my car.
So you can't get out.
Our neighbors are all flooded. They probably can't even open our door. And if you see that trash bag over to the right of the house, that's ours. Yeah. And then our little snake buddy's tail is in there somewhere. If you can see that. And we had to bring our trash cans up here. Yeah. And that's all.